Art is notably diverse, forming a multicolored and multifaceted canvas that throughout history has expressed the most incredible forms, patterns, movements, experiences, and values of different cultures, seemingly separated by time and space. Far from constituting a barrier, this diversity is extremely rich, potent, and beautiful. A closer look will reveal a thread that ties together the multiple artistic expressions. Beyond the incredible and evident diversity, it is possible to find a deep and unifying sense. It is possible to find unity. This duality is one of the most fascinating characteristics of artistic expression because despite the immense diversity that identifies it, there are universal elements within it that reveal our shared humanity. Art thus becomes a universal expression of the human experience. In this sense, art expresses what identifies us as human beings and thus brings us together. Different artistic expressions orbit around feelings such as love, compassion, devotion, and joy. How many works have revealed the experience of pain, loss, death? Many have manifested the search for meaning and significance in life, the effort to understand events, and the awe before the grandeur of nature. In music, although instruments and styles vary, it remains a universal language, with the beats of a percussion instrument evoking similar feelings anywhere in the world. Mozart's Requiem, Samuel Barber's Adagio, Dante Alighieri's Divine Comedy, and Shakespeare's Hamlet all explore in some way the same themes of death and transcendence. Structures like the Goianoro Pagoda, Chartres Cathedral, Minoski Temple, and the Blue Mosque, though architecturally different, serve similar purpose of spiritual quest and expression of faith. Weren't the whirling dervishes and Bharatanatyam dancers demonstrating a similar devotional sentiment? The epic narratives of different cultures, such as the Mahabharata in India, Gilgamesh in Babylon, the Lusíadas in Portugal, and Iliad and Odyssey in Greece, explore common themes of heroism, adventure, and human destiny. The verses of Rumi, Hafiz, Santa Teresa of Avila, Kabir, and Eckhart seem to manifest the same mystical ecstasy. Vermeer expresses a powerful and enigmatic force in the gaze of the girl with a pure earring, similar to what we perceive in Da Vinci's Mona Lisa. The landscapes of Kano, Hideyori, or Renoir evoke the same delicacy that we all carry within. Art uniquely and meaningfully reveals our unity and diversity. It shows us that, despite cultural differences, there is a common essence in the human experience that connects us. Art helps us recognize and celebrate our diversity while reaffirming our shared humanity. In this way, it is a mirror of the human soul, reflecting both our particularities and our universality. It can thus be a bridge to peace, as it inspires respect and understanding of differences and the construction of a more fraternal and harmonious world.